using the nail clipper in the wrong way all your life. Very few people know this trick that I will be showing you now. Once you learn it, I assure you that you will be speechless and you will never use the nail clipper in the traditional way again. But this does not stop there, since I will also give you other nail clipper tricks that you surely did not know and that will be useful to you. Pay close attention because the good starts now. First, I will show you the tricks you can do with a nail clipper. Number 1. Open a plastic bag. When you have tied a bag and it is difficult to open it with your hands, you can always help yourself with a nail clipper. It will work very well. Number 2. Use as a stand for the cell phone. If you are watching your favorite program or some video and you do not want to stop using the phone, you can put the nail clipper behind and turn it into a support for your phone. Number 3. Uncover canned products. If you have cans of food or paint that are difficult to uncover, you can use a nail clipper for this. Here I have an old can of paint that I had saved. In your case, you just have to put the part of the mango on the edge of the can, put a little pressure, and you're done. Number 4. Open sealed boxes. If you have received a shipment in a box and it is sealed with adhesive, you can always use a nail clipper to open it. This will be of great help. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a greeting at the end of the videos. Number 5. Use as a screwdriver. If you need to remove some screws and you do not have a screwdriver at hand, a nail clipper can serve you very well. In the same way you can serve if you need to put some screws. And now we come to the main trick of the video. This happens to most people. You are cutting your nails when the remaining remains begin to fall everywhere and make a mess. To solve this, you will only need a bit of adhesive tape and a nail clipper. The first thing you should do is cut a bit of tape and glue both sides of the nail clipper, just as I show you on the screen. Once you've done this, you're going to cut your nails as you usually do. While you cut, you'll notice that the nails won't fall off, and now I'll tell you why. When you finish, you just have to remove the adhesive tape from the edges of the nail clipper, and you'll see how the remains you cut will stick to the nail clipper. From now on, you won't have to worry about making mistakes anymore, while at the same time taking care of your image. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know this. Today's greeting is for Sylvia Holguin from Mexico and for Yoli Mergalecho from Argentina. Thank you very much for watching our videos.